Hello everybody, it's Amiga Rob here with another review video, unboxing video, and today I'm looking at the Salter Compact Glass Analyser Scale, which is model 9113GY3R1420, it says on the label, stuck on it. And I picked this up because during lockdown I've got fat. I picked up a lot of fat around my belly, which you can't see. Hello, I'm just gonna get in there for a second. I've got a lot of fat around my belly and I've got fat. This is a set of scales because I'm just wondering where I am at the minute. You can put up to 8 people on it apparently. Oh look, and it's going in and out of focus, so once again I've prepared wonderfully for this. So let's just lock it into focus. So yeah, I've basically just required something to tell roughly where I am. I'm normally very light, around 10.5 stone. I'm wondering where I am now. I'm probably considerably heavier than that, but we shall see. So I am going to crack on. Now I've got the thing set, we're going to unbox. So I got this from Wilkinson's for £20. They had the wrong label on the edge, said it was £25. Go. Salter, the company that I think I had a kiddie's telescope from at one point. What have we got here? So we got big box, right, we've got the actual scales, which are glass. It looks like it's silver in the thing, huh? Would have preferred it silver actually. It does say compact glass, but I thought it was glass with like silver colour underneath, but there you go. Well, it'll do, I don't care now. So pretty light, and they're supposed to do, what is it meant to do? Analysing, so it does. There's a little fat person on the thing there. Checks how fat you are. I don't know what that green one means. Body mass index, don't know whether that means anything. You can be up to 150 kilograms apparently, that's 23 stone. Maybe that's 8 presets. Got an athlete's mode, feet and batteries on. Fat. Oh, it goes on when the feet are on there and batteries are included, right. And there's a picture of someone barefoot. That's why I'm barefoot in this video. Sorry about that. Exposing myself. So put batteries out. Got little rubber feet. Let's have a look at the instructions. How does the salt scale work? Uses BIA, bioimpedance analysis technology, which passes tiny electrical impulse through the body to determine fat from lean tissue. How fascinating. New feature, this scale features a convenient step-on operation. Once initiated, the scale can be operated simply as step-on blah 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 blah. Initializing your scale. Right, so first things first, do we need to put these? I don't know what these things are, maybe they fit over. Looks like you've got default rubber feet, you've got plastic ones you can stick on if you want to, but I don't know. So let's get the batteries in. We're looking at Maxwell batteries. Great. Stick them in like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I had a Salt Science telescope. They're in that kind of area, or weighing apparatus and stuff like that. I had a Johnny Ball thing with it. Right, so what we're looking at here. It says 170. Oh right, so do I have to set my height? First things first, let's set my height. So you're going to see this upside down, by the way, unless I flip it in the camera. Those are instructions. So I don't know what my height is in centimeters. Alright, first things first, let's see how fat I am. So, go. Oh, 70.6 kilograms. That's pretty painless. What do these buttons do? Let's see. Is it going to go away? 1. Oh, right, that's different sets for different people. Alt Mans. Right, age. I'm a little bit. I'm just going to cover that up because we don't need to know what age I am, do we? And then on to the next thing. Height. I don't know what my height is in centimetres. Okay, on to the next thing. Right, what's that? No. 1. So you got that. No. 1. Right, so I've set it. Okay, so oh, there we go. It's giving away things there. Giving away my secrets. Right, 0 kilogram. Oh, can I change that to stone? Because that means nothing to me. If I discover now I can't change it from kilograms, that's going to be. Will that go away? No. Right. How do you change it from kilograms to stone? Kilograms to stone. How do you change it? Let's try again. Right, here we go. Around 68. Oh, I did have that other thing. 68.1. And I am wearing trousers and stuff. But how do I change that? Ah, unit. There's a button on the back. Button on the back here that says unit. Just here. So once this drops off, now I'm guessing it's going to give it to me. Oh, it'll probably give me in pounds now rather than. No, it's not giving it to me in anything. Hang on. Do I need to hold it down? Pounds. Ah, stone pounds. That's what we want. Proper imperial measurement that they didn't teach us at school, but for some reason we always do our weighting. Oh my goodness! I'm a lot lighter than I thought I was. 10 stone 11 3/4. I was thinking I was at least another half a stone. Well, these are a good set of scales. I have dropped a bit in the last couple of weeks, to be fair, but this is a good set of scales. I like these. So how do I do the body mass? How do you do the... Do I need to stay on it for a bit longer? Let's see. So stay on it. 10, 11. Am I feeling a slight tingling? Is it now going to give me the body mass? How do you get to do the body mass thing? Right, next thing I'll have to read the manual again. Okay, so my video conked out, but I've worked out what you need to do the body weight. You go on, it tells you your age, then it tells you your height. That's wrong. Then it does a weight, which seems to move around quite a bit for some reason. Now it puts electricity through you, and it says that your body fat ratio is... It's not done it. Oh, 18.8, which for a 40-year-old is in optimal range. 23.3, I don't know what that means. Now, is that... I still don't understand. But anyway, body fat range. For your body fat percentage, total body water percentage, and BMI. Oh, right. So, the body fat, let's do it again, and we'll get it right this time. So, right, doing the weight. What height is slightly wrong. The weight has changed again. It doesn't seem to be the most accurate, but anyway. So, this is... Right, 18.9, which is body fat percentage. 55.9 is water, and 23.3 is BMI. So 23.3 23 BMI. Just looking at this, is obese, eh? What? Normal, what? That can't be right. 23.3, overweight, moderate. Alright, so it says I'm overweight, but yet, body fat percentage, I'm in the optimal range, 40 to 55, 59-year-old. Because I'm, what did you say I was? 18.9. So hang on, look at this. Right, 18.9. And then 55.9 for water. I'm below on water. Because if my body fat range is between 15 to 21%, I should be up to 63 to 57 according to this. So there you go. There you have it. It's the Salter. Get these from Wilkinson's. It's the Salter scales. They don't seem to be entirely reliable. They go a few pounds off here and there. They cost £20 at the minute in Wilko's. I'm not sure about Amazon. Maybe I should have a look and put a link on. In fact, I will. I'll put a link to it on Amazon. Why not? Why not? And you can get them Wilko's for 20 quid. And if you feel like you've been put on a bit of tubbiness, get this to find out where you are, and you'll be bang on the money. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to check out some of my other interesting videos.